In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq for beginners. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the essentials. The journal, whiteboard, flashcards, graph view, and all pages so you can start capturing ideas and connecting them with confidence. First, go to Logseq. Open the app or the web version and let it load your notes, known as your graph. Think of a graph as the home for all your pages and blocks. If this is your first time, don't worry. You can start with a clean slate and build as you go. Logseq is designed around plain text and links so everything stays fast, transparent, and easy to organize. Next, click on Journal. The journal is your daily workspace, a fresh page for today where you can jot quick thoughts, tasks, or meeting notes. Type a bullet, press enter for a new one, and use tab to indent and create structure. Add checkboxes for tasks and hashtags to group related ideas. When something deserves a dedicated page, wrap a word in double brackets to create a link. That's all it takes to build a network of notes over time, and it keeps your day-to-day thinking tidy and searchable. Now, click on Whiteboard. This is where your notes become visual. Imagine a canvas where you can drop in pages or individual blocks and arrange them spatially. You can draw simple shapes, connect concepts with lines, and zoom in and out to manage complexity. It's perfect for brainstorming, planning a project, or mapping a topic. If you've already written in your journal, bring those blocks onto the canvas to see how ideas relate at a glance. Click on flashcards. Logseq can turn your notes into memory prompts so you can actually retain what you write. If you've formatted content as questions and answers or added closed deletions in your notes, you can review them here. Keep sessions short and consistent. A few focused minutes each day works best. As you review, Logseq tracks your progress so you spend time on what needs reinforcement. Next, click on Graph View. This gives you a bird's eye look at your entire knowledge base. Each dot is a page, and lines show links between them. Explore clusters to discover patterns, hover to highlight connections, and notice isolated pages that might benefit from more links. The graph helps you spot gaps and spark new ideas. Finally, click on All Pages. This is your library. Browse everything you've created, find pages to clean up or rename, and keep your structure consistent. Over time, this view helps you manage growth without losing track of anything important. With these core areas, you're ready to capture, connect, visualize, remember, and organize everything you need to thrive in Logseq as a beginner.